Okay, recording na. So, normal card.
Isang ko yan, ha?
Oo, pare. Spread ko lang siya.
Ako magbibigay.
Ito na eh.
Sige, sige.
Naka-CD yan.
Game.
Kita ba ako dyan, pare?
Hindi.
Pakita mo muna siya para.
Sige.
Meron ka ng ano, kare.
Hindi kasya, pare. Hindi kasya.
Bago sumaksi ka na.
Ayan, game.
To.
Ayan,
Sige, ikaw pa.
Recording pa rin yan, pare.
Sige, pare kay Ding.
Ayan.
Okay. So, ganito yan. Shuffle ko yung card. Shuffle na natin. For formality. Diba? Then, sasaulingin ko na yung arrangement ng card.
Yun na lang yun.
Okay, done. Ganito gawin natin.
Ano gagawin natin?
First, say stop As natural, diba? Say stop na naman, pare.
Good, very good.
Okay, debay naman natin.
Say go.
Say pause.
Okay.
Sige, sige.
Say super fast.
Say,
Hindi, joke lang.
say emo.
So ito yung pinaghintuan natin, okay? Di ba, spread ko yung baraka din. This is a jack of diamonds.
Ikaw na rin.
Wala pang wow, pare. Wala pang wow.
Yung susunod.
Okay, hawakan mo na siya. This time naman, say stop or what?
Stop.
What? You want to say stop or what? What?
This is a five of clover. Okay. Just point any card. Just point any card. Just point any card. Okay.
Point
Point your card. Point your
Point any
card.
card. Dikit mo, then push it up.
Oh, really?
Oh, this card. Okay. This is a two of spades.
Wow.
Wow!
It's over. Stop na pare. It's over.
Ayun.
Paano mag-stop?
Eh, best mo lang yun.
Say stop.
Say stop.
Say stop. Say out.
Binig